LibreWolf versus Brave. Which privacy browser is better? Choosing the right privacy-focused browser can make a big difference in how secure your web experience is and how much control you have over your data. LibreWolf and Brave are two popular browsers built with privacy and security in mind, but they take different approaches. LibreWolf focuses on strict privacy by removing telemetry and tracking by default, while Brave blends privacy with mainstream usability and built-in features like ad blocking and rewards. This comparison breaks down how each browser works, so you can decide which one fits your privacy needs best. LibreWolf is a privacy-first web browser based on open-source code that strips out data collection, telemetry, and tracking features found in many mainstream browsers. Its main goal is to give users a browsing experience that minimizes external observation and maximizes control over privacy settings. LibreWolf typically disables telemetry, makes fingerprinting harder, and defaults to stricter content blocking without any trackers or ads by default. It's ideal for users who want maximum privacy and a minimal browser footprint with fewer external connections and data leaks. LibreWolf is especially attractive to privacy enthusiasts, security-conscious users, and anyone who wants to browse with as little tracking as possible. Brave is a privacy-focused browser that combines strong blocking features with mainstream usability and extra options like built-in ad blocking, HTTPS everywhere, and optional privacy-preserving rewards. It blocks ads, trackers, and fingerprinting out of the box, and places an emphasis on speed and ease of use while maintaining privacy protections. Brave also offers optional features like Brave Rewards, which lets users earn tokens by viewing privacy-respecting ads, and integrated tools like a secure Tor window for anonymous browsing. Brave is perfect for users who want robust privacy without sacrificing convenience, performance, or compatibility with mainstream web services. Feature comparison. LibreWolf and Brave both prioritize privacy, but they cater to slightly different user preferences. LibreWolf is ideal for users who want the strictest privacy protections and minimal browser interference, removing telemetry and limiting external connections as much as possible. Brave is better for users who want strong privacy features while still enjoying modern browser conveniences, built-in tools, and performance optimizations. Final thoughts. If your top priority is uncompromising privacy and a stripped-down experience without any bells or whistles, LibreWolf is a great choice. If you want a privacy-focused browser that also includes extra usability features, ad blocking, and optional rewards, Brave may be the better fit. The best browser for you depends on how you balance privacy with convenience and which features matter most in your daily browsing.